Good afternoon, Jessica and Antoinette. John O'Keefe's niece, who is 17 years old now, testified for about an hour this morning. O'Keefe was the guardian for her and for her brother. She told the jury that O'Keefe and Karen Read's relationship changed toward the end of 2021. She said that she saw them fighting a lot and there was a lot of tension in the house. She describes Karen Read waking her up at 4:30 a.m. on January 29th, 2022, and telling her, the niece, that O'Keefe had not come home. The niece told the jury, quote, the defendant was asking what could have happened, adding that Read said things like, could I have done something? Could he have gotten hit by a plow, unquote. The niece says Read also stated, quote, maybe I hit him, unquote. Now, before that testimony, as you heard just a moment ago, when Karen Read was arriving here this morning, she told us that she feels great today. Yesterday's session was canceled at the last minute due to a health issue that Karen Read was having. In court today, before John O'Keefe's niece took the witness stand, Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan played two more media interview clips for the jury, including this clip, where Read talks about whether O'Keefe knew she had been texting Brian Higgins.
I don't see how John would have known about my text with Brian, and I'm not sure if he knew he would have reacted very strongly. I think we would have broken up, but I don't think John would have lost it and caused a fight. I didn't feel like John's emotions with me got really strong.
The prosecution is trying to convince the jury with Karen Read's own words that there was no motive for a fight between Brian Higgins and John O'Keefe. The prosecution is also disputing that O'Keefe went into the house at 34 Fairview Road in Canton as the defense claims. The prosecution argues he never made it inside because Read hit him with her SUV and left him to die outside in the snow. Testimony continues as we speak here at Norfolk Superior Court. Reporting live in Dedham, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.